Yo, like my man said, you already know KOLABO Entertainment running so mad. No good production. We're in the building. Matter of fact, we are in the city, nigga. Jersey to Harlem. You already know. Jersey's in Harlem right now. Shout out to V-Line. You know, Positive, KOLABO, Daniel, you already know. Nigga Talk, all them niggas, man. Respect Jersey, New York, Jersey. Let's go. You want Brixx, BENT, nigga. Run Diesel-matic, Mark D, No Good Productions. We all in here.